Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here, if you haven't created a project yet, we can only add tasks to a project. So we can either tap on the new project, create a new project, and then add the task to that, or we can just go here into the all section where we can see all our projects. Select one. Let's see, it's test one. And here in this project, we can just tap on new task. And here we can name the task. I don't know, video filming, for example. And then we can add some other things as well, and just tap on create, and we have the new task. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.